Hi everyone, and welcome to your 20-minute heart opening practice. This flow is designed to open up the front of our body to create room for some back bends and to feel like we're creating more space in our neck, chest, and shoulders as well. Grab your mats and let's get started today standing on the mat. We're going to start by taking the arms out wide, and I want you to go ahead and hinge forward and just swing your arms forward and back. So known as skeleton arms or just swinging arms, also known as empty coat sleeve pockets. Good, just swing. 3. Notice how I'm switching the arm that goes over and under for 2. And 1. Good. Now take your shoulders back 3 times. 3, 2, and 1. Bring your feet together all the way, so hug the inner thighs together, zip them up the midline, core is engaged. Let's go ahead and side bend up and over to one side, so create some length. Good. Exhale through center. Please reach up and over and side bend to the second side. Good. Finding your length here. Beautiful. Inhale, raise both arms up, stand tall and proud. Exhale into your first forward fold of practice. So lower your hands to the earth, lower the head. Breathe here in and out, nice and slow. Good. Notice the back of your legs. If you're really tight, I'm going to go ahead and heel toe mine apart. I can feel my hamstrings tired already. And then exhale as my feet widen, I start to fold a little bit deeper. Good. Bone by bone, stand up with me. Please take your time. And then let's find the top of our mat. Stand up nice and tall. Hug the legs in towards the midline. Reach the arms up to the sky. Inhale, back bend. Good. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, lengthen halfway, long gaze forward. Exhale, forward fold. Step into downward facing dog, one foot and then the other. And then exhale, gently push back with your hands. Try to feel the extension through the underarms. Notice your level of tightness. Good. Take one hand and just kind of shake out your wrist. Replace it and switch. Shake out your wrist. Good. Both hands come back to neutral and down dog as you push back here. And then I want you to bring the shoulder bones forward. Exhale, drop the knees. Press back to child's pose, softening the low back as the head hits the earth. Good. Inhale, tabletop, hands and knees. Exhale, rotate the hands around. So we want to feel the forearms face forward, the eye of the elbow face forward, and then maybe sway the hips a little bit with mine, side to side. Good. Exhale from here, pivot the fingers forward, tuck the toes, go back to down dog. Right leg rises from the back of the mat. Exhale, step through. Good. Knee down lunge, lower the back knee. Bring your hands to your hips and then sink the hips forward. Good. Maybe bring the hands all the way around to the low back, so the lumbar spine, press the chest through. And then inhale, if you feel ready, reach up. 3, 2, and then release your hands down on 1. Good. Pick up your back knee as you straighten the right leg and then take the right arm up towards the sky. Walk the left hand forward for this balance. Hold. 3. Good. Reach the right arm long. 2. Exhale. Right arm is going to reach forward as you bend the right knee. Keep the left hand right where it is. Good. And then reach the right hand back. Walk the left hand forward. Same movement. Last time, reach it forward, ground the left hand below the left shoulder, bend your knee. Put your back knee down again, bring both arms up one more time. Now take the left hand behind you, grab hold of the left leg, maybe reach for your calf muscle. Open it up. 3. Draw the low belly in, close your mouth, in and out through the nose. 2. One more inhale here. Exhale, cartwheel your hands down to the earth. Step to the top of the mat. Good. Halfway lift the spine. Exhale, gently bow down. Inhale, standing back bend. Firm the quads, reach up, lengthen. Exhale, circle the hands behind the back and let the fingers weave together for this shoulder opener. Glide the knuckles down the butt, open the heart. Good. Exhale, hinge, fold forward, stretch your shoulders. 3. Open the heart here as you pull the shoulder blades together, create space. 2. Good. Inhale, release your hands to mat. Exhale, fold in. Halfway lift, spine is long. Step back, down dog, 1 foot, and then the other. Now you're welcome to throw in a vinyasa. I'm not really, just because I don't want to engage the shoulders and chest more through the push-ups, but you're more than welcome to do so. Left leg lifts on your inhale. Exhale, step through. Good. Breathe here. Hold and engage the core. And then lower the back knee. Go ahead and bring the hands to your hips. Let your hips gently move forward. And then I'm going to go ahead and bring my hands more to my low back so I can really pull my elbows in and push my heart through. Now your back toes are welcome to be tucked or untucked. It's up to you. And then if you feel ready, inhale both arms to the sky, knee down, crescent moon. 3. Good. Find some room here. 2. Take a full round of breath. Beautiful. Exhale, lower your hands down. Now, right knee is going to pick up. Good. And then you're going to straighten your left leg. Feed your left arm up. Walk the right hand forward. Balance and breathe here. Good. Now, feed the left arm forward. Right hand below right shoulder. Repeat. Feed the arm back to sky. Walk the right hand forward. Feel the extension away from the body. Right hand below right shoulder. Reach forward. You've got it. Good. Put your back knee down. Come all the way up. Right hand reaches up and around. Maybe just grab the low back. Maybe the hamstring. Maybe the back of the knee. Walk the hand to your comfort level as you reach up to the sky for 3. Standing forward fold in 2. Good. Cartwheel your hands to the front of the mat. Pick up your back knee. Exhale, step together. Inhale, lengthen the spine halfway. Exhale to forward fold. Good. Inhale, stand tall, arms to sky. This time, bend the elbows, plug the thumbs right between the shoulder blades, back bend. Good. Exhale, eagle the arms. So reach forward with both arms. Take your right arm beneath your left. Hold your shoulder bones or crisscross if you have room. Good. Inhale, elbows to sky. Exhale, forward fold. Breathe out as you lower. Standing single leg balance on the right leg. Left leg is going to slowly lift while you're in your eagle pose. So holding the arms. Standing splits for 3. Half moon pose in 2. Right hand releases in front of you or off to the right. I guess I'm human if I fall, right? Left toes turn open, Ardha Chandrasana. 3. Good. Feel the opening. My back hip just popped as I lifted it up a little higher. 2. Exhale, release your left hand. Step back with your left foot. Good. Knee comes down again. Arms come up. Exhale, bend the elbows. Shine the chest forward. Feel that freedom. Good. Inhale, extend. Repeat. Exhale, bend. Good. Reach your arms all the way up to the sky. 3-legged dog. Right leg rises. So send your leg up and back. Bend your knee. Roll your hip open. Option to stay here or walk your hands back just a little bit. Not a lot, just a little. Maybe your left hand starts to make its way back. Maybe just here next to your foot. Maybe up to the sky and you reach for your foot that's in the air. 3. It's a hard balance to do. Good. 2. Core is engaged. 1 more big breath, lifting foot into hand. Straighten the leg, put your palm down. Good. Exhale, release, downward facing dog. Breath in, step or jump forward. Halfway lift here. Good. Fold forward as you exhale. Inhale, standing back bend, grow tall. Exhale, eagle on the left. So left arm comes under, just the arms, not the legs. Maybe you hold your shoulder blades. Otherwise, find your crisscross, lean back. Good. Keep the bind as you fold forward. All right, here comes your challenge. Exhale, look forward. Put the weight into your left foot and then try to raise your right leg up to the sky. 3. Good. Standing split. 2. 1 more big inhale. Left hand releases to mat. Right hip externally rotates open. Good. And then extend your right arm up. 3. Beautiful side body opening. 2. Exhale, right hand lowers. Step your right foot all the way back. I need to move my left foot forward some. If you need to do that, that's okay. Right knee comes down, then again, both arms rise up. Exhale, bend your elbows. Good. Inhale, reach. Exhale, good. Bend your elbows. Inhale, reach to the sky, lengthen. Good. Frame your foot, 3-legged dog. Left leg lifts up and back. Full inhale. Bend your knee, open up your hip. Good. Right hand stays on the mat or start to walk your hands back a little bit. Maybe your right hand comes back just next to your right foot. Maybe you try to hover it. Maybe you try to reach for your foot that's in the air. 3. Think about kicking your foot into your hand like you would in Dancer. 2. 1 more full breath. Good. Inhale, both hands down. Lift your legs super high. Exhale, release. Push back. Nice. On your next breath in, come high to the balls of the feet. Hold it right there as you push your ribs closer and closer to your thighs. 3. Try to feel that extension. 2. Good. Drop the knees on 1. Should have felt some good work there in the upper back and traps. Now, puppy dog pose. You guys are going to walk your hands forward. Your butt's going to stay elevated as you drop your ribs towards the earth. Lower your chest towards the earth. Maybe your chin touches. If that's too difficult, your head can touch. 3. Good. 2. And 1. Exhale. Beautiful. Now, slither forward to your stomach. You're going to lay on your right side body, okay? From here, you're going to stack your legs, and then you're going to bring your top leg, which is your left leg, heel to butt. Reach back for your foot. Bring your knees towards each other. It's easy to lift your knee up, okay? So keep your knees in line. And then just roll your chest towards the sky. Try to work on opening the shoulder. Maybe try to roll the elbow up. Pull the heel towards your butt, so feel the stretch in your quad. And again, pull your knee down as you do so, because if you let it pop up like that, you're not going to feel as much. Take 1 more full breath. Single leg bow pulling pose. Good. Exhale through the center. You're going to lay on the opposing side, so left side together now. Right leg lifts, heel to butt. Right arm reaches around, make the full circle, opening up the chest. Exhale, remember those knees, pull them back together. And then again, I'm going to work my hand around the foot. so that my elbow can come back. Tracking my knee down towards the earth as I kick back at the same time. 3. Good. Find room here. Breathe. 2. One more full round of breath for me. Good. Exhale. Release the leg. Good. Shimmy back to center. Prop yourself up onto your forearms. Inhale, tuck your toes, elevate the heart. My kneecaps are lifted. Good. Exhale, ground your hands. So let's take a yummy cobra or a back bend. So your choice of what shape is going to work best. Take another full breath. Good. Exhale, melt the chest to the thighs, the hips back to the heels, and breathe. 3, 2, 1. Shimmy forward to seated. So find the top of the mat so you can take your time lying all the way down. Exhale, knees to chest. Rocking from left to right here as you massage your back. We're going to plant the feet. Exhale. Feel free to grab a block if you want. And if you don't have one, that's fine. Squeeze it between your legs. Elevate your hips up here. Good. 5 breaths. Hug this and squeeze the inner thighs in. Feel the opening here in the front body and the back. 3. Good. In and out. 2. Squeeze the block really tightly. Fire the glutes. And then bone by bone by bone, melt to your mat. Take the block, put it back where it came from, or just by your side is totally fine. And then I want you to let the knees fall from one side of the mat to the other, like your windshield wipers that we've done before on our belly, which we didn't actually do today, but you've done them before, laying on your stomach and rocking your feet. From here, hug your knees tightly in. Wrap yourself all the way up into this little yummy ball. Really, really hug in deeply. Exhale, put your head down. Reach for the sides of your feet. And then I want you to pull your knees in towards your armpits to the point where you feel like you're going to push your knees all the way to the mat. Hold that for 3. Good. 2. And then on 1, you're going to take your feet, extend your legs all the way out. You're going to interlace your fingers. You're going to flip your palms, reach them all the way over your head for the huge extension through the ribs, through the chest. Pull the low belly in and down while you do this. Good. Open mouth, sigh. And then exhale, rest your hands by your sides, palms face up or down. Close your eyes after that short bit of stretching to notice how the body feels after moving in a way that's calming and peaceful, but really dedicated to creating space in the heart. Noticing how when you release the back and the shoulders, how you can gain more room there too. One more full breath as your head rests down on the earth. Exhale, blow out a big candle if you wish. Let's bring our knees into our chest. Good. Wrap your arms around your legs. Offer a big hug. And then take your time, big rock up to seated. Gathering your hands to heart center as we sit tall. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, pull the hands down. As we bow forward together, namaste. I hope your body feels well. I hope it feels open and that you feel relaxed. Thanks for practicing with me today.